Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The Group of 7 wealthy nations is looking at blocking the transportation of Russian oil, among other options, to deprive Moscow of bumper revenues amid its invasion of Ukraine, unless it heeds a price cap. The dollar continued its decline, falling to its lowest in 2 months against the recovering Japanese yen and losing ground on other peers, as investors continued to position for a less aggressive pace of Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. Italian high-end luxury fashion house Gucci is now accepting ApeCoin as payments for in-store purchases situated in the United States. ApeCoin is a new addition to a list of cryptocurrency Gucci accepts for the purchases of their products in their select boutiques in the US.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US factory orders at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.